Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. This video I'm going to show how to enter information through a form, and it may help you out if you have a long list of things that you need to enter into Excel. Entering things in through a form might save you a lot of time. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, but before I do, go ahead down here in the right hand corner, click on the subscribe button. Make sure you check out the rest of our videos on the channel. And if you have time, check out the AccountingExL store by going to AccountingExL.com/store. There's a lot of tools on here that can help you, especially if you're an accountant looking for month-end reconciliations and things like that. Everything's downloadable, and you receive the link directly on the download, and you receive an email link. So go ahead and check that out, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to begin, the first thing that we're going to do is there's no place on the ribbon here to open up the form. So the first thing that we're going to do is come up here and we're going to click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar, and then we're going to come down to More Commands, and then on the drop down here where it says Choose Commands From, we're going to select Commands Not in the Ribbon, and then we're going to scroll down and find Forms, or Form, and we're going to click Add. That's going to add the form to our Quick Access toolbar, and then go ahead and click OK. So now it's up here. You see a little Form button. So all you have to do then is just put your clicker right on somewhere within the file or within the information, and click on the Form button, and then it's automatically going to pop up with the form, and it's going to show the form name as the tab. So you can see now that we can go through and click through each one. So we're on 2 of 10, 3 of 10, 4 of 10, all the way through. So what we want to do, I'm just going to show you how to do this, is we're going to go ahead and delete the very last entry here by clicking on 10 of 10. So we're on Able Books, and we're going to go ahead and click Delete. Display record will be permanently deleted. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And then you can see there that it removed that record. So if we want to add a new record, we can either just keep scrolling to the bottom until it goes to a new record, or you can select New right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and enter that company information. So, Able Books, Inc., contact Bill, Abby, Street, 123, High Street, no suite, and this is Norca, Ohio, 44685. Email is bill.abby@gmail.com. Website is ablebooks.com, and we don't need a 1099 from this person, and their terms are net 30. And our default expense account is going to be 6020, and that's miscellaneous. And the description is going to be professional literature. Okay. And go ahead and click New, and then you can see that it added what we just entered right here. So you can see that if there's a lot that you need to enter, you can just keep entering in the information as you go by pushing the tab button, keep going down right through, and then click on New Record to enter your next one. So it might be a pretty big time saver. The other thing you can do is you can go through your data by filling in some criteria. So say that we want to just look at people with net 30 terms. We can come down here to Terms and type in net 30, find previous, and then it's going to show you everybody that's got net 30 terms. And once we're at the beginning, we can go to find next. So say we want to change that to net 45. Click on find previous, and it's going to go through the list of everybody that's net 45. So one real thing to keep in mind here is we enter a blank column. So now we have a blank column here. If we go up here and click on the form button, it's not going to give us all of our fields. So there's two different ways around this. One is to make sure that there's no columns that are blank. And the reason that that's happening is because there's no header up here in the name of the column. So you can just get rid of all the blank columns by deleting that, and then click on the form, and now you can see all these are back there. The other thing you can do is select the information that you want to have in the table, and then select the form. And it's going to give you a little error message because it's kind of having a hard time understanding what your column headings are because of that blank column heading. So if we want to use this, we can go ahead and click OK, and then you'll see here that there's a blank column on here, and you can go ahead and enter your information if you want. So just a couple little tricks there. Hope you find this video helpful. Like I said, click on the subscribe button down here and subscribe, check out the other videos, and check out the AccountingExL store. I'll leave a link in the description to that, and we'll see y'all next time.